All right, you guys, come see how I make the creamiest cream cheese frosting. Oh, yeah, with pecans. This is a quick and easy recipe. All right, you guys, so now y'all gonna see one of the fastest cream cheese, easiest cream cheese frostings. Oh, yeah. So we got 2 sticks of butter. They're half a cup each, so you're gonna use a whole cup of butter or a whole cup of margarine. Already softened. You got 2 softened 8-ounce cream cheese, total of 16 ounces of cream cheese. You use whatever type of cream cheese you want. Okay. And we're going to use a whole bag, which is 2 pounds of 32 ounce, 2 pounds of powdered sugar. So we're going to use the whole bag. It's so easy, you guys. It's so easy and simple. Gonna dump that whole bag in there like so. You're gonna need about 2 teaspoons of vanilla. We got 1 and we got 2. And we're gonna use about a teaspoon of oil. And that oil just gives it a little sheen. Okay, and then we're gonna add about a tablespoon of milk. All right. Now we're gonna cream it. And after I've let it set and the cakes are room temperature, we're gonna go ahead and frost it up with that good old creamy frosting. And any nuts for the topping. And there you have it. Any cream cheese frosting for whatever cake you would like to make. Oh yeah, and check out my cake recipes. Oh yeah, we got some good old cooking on PromoSTK, Sheila Creations Way, and we eat this stuff on PromoSTK, eating good in the neighborhood. So subscribe to our channel and become family with me today. And share, share, share.